Peace up, A-Town down.
DJ Chava.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. You should know how I feel. I said shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game she was spitting in my ear, you would think that she knew me. Decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. She saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, come get me. I get so caught up that she told me. My girl, you be the best of all.
There's something about his manners. So I fuck with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'm doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh na na.
My outfit's ridiculous, in the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. And forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the roll. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my piggy's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Little Chris fill cups like double D. Me and Ursh once more when we leave them dead. We want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed that say,
Shawty got that, said come get me. I get so caught up that she told me. Her and my girl used to be the best of all. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming.
Up on the boat like a traffic jam. How's quick to pay that girl like us? He go, hey, bake it on me. Shout the craving on me, get the eating on me. She waited on me, shout the caking on me, got the bacon on me. This is history and I'm making on you. Point blank, close range, that piece. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby.
Havana, ooh na na. Half of my